Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Kynhun Myntri jong ka sorkar jilla kalayatai habede bat kamat kabede bat ka Bthah Thungkam Thungjam hakane ka jilla. Hadian baka Ïingbishar ba Halor do ka jilla kala Bthah ban Pynsangeh shwaya ka jing penrongkam namar ka jing bomdan ka roster system. Lane ka jing pen bha lapa yaki kam hakapor ba khot thep kam katkum ka reservation policy. Habakran cakilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ka jingalang jong ka Kynhun Myntri hakasengi balang ka khatlai tarik uyayong arhajar arpawar u Myntri rang ba ka jella u konrat ke sangma ula ong ba yakane kamat Ïakren khambania haka jingalang henrei ompat la ban pendeplun namar kidon bun ki jenet ki jenan ki badai ban bo lang hapok kokot jing pensisha lene afedeben ka ba ka sorkar ka hapan pha sya ka Ïingbishar. Kumta ula ong bayakani kamat ondang Thungkam ban Ïakren biang hakini kisngi bansawan. Kam Meghalaya High Court leng baki arngut Ïingbishar u Chief Justice Sanjeev Banerjee bat u Justice Wanlura Dingdo kalapen mi ya kajeng Bthah hakasan tarik uyayong arhajar arpawar. Haka bakala Bthah ban Pynsangeh shwa ya kijeng penrongkam Halor kanongrem bahakapor bakhot ban thepkam kitnat sorkar bat kiwe kishnat trekam ki baha ban yat katkom ka Bthah Thungkam ne reservation policy ki klempen isatya ya ka roster system lani kempen isai katnu tali lamang ya ki kam nakabenta ki jat ban re ba pher katkom ka reservation policy lani ka jingpen bha lapa ya ki kam hakapor bakhot thepkam katkom ka reservation policy. Habakali balai ka jilla kam don yakane ka roster system u Myntri rang ba ula kubur bakane kampat don hakini kisan postnem bat ompat don ru nakabenta ki breu ki badan jingdu na dekhotmen henrei ula ong bakane ka sorkar ka bamenta kalasdang banle ya ka roster system nakabenta ki breu ki badan jingdu na dekhotmen bat ka sorkar kadang petbenya ya ka ei ka bala Bthah da ka Ïingbishar.
Regarding the court matter of the reservation policy issue, and so we have discussed in detail, and we are still in the mode of preparing the entire reply and the affidavit. So there are a bit more homework and the details have to be added to the whole thing. So we're going to take it up in the next few days again. So we did not conclude it today, and we're still preparing the entire reply to the and the affidavit is being prepared.
So what is the reason?
Because it's a lot of things, there are a lot of issues there. So therefore, obviously, and it's an important issue. So we need to ensure that we do our homework properly. So that we are in the process of doing that. So more information, more details are being collected.
So what about GHADC audit reports?
That was not part of the agenda today.
But what about?
I don't have the information with me right now.
So what is the reason for the government having this booster system in place?
It was not there in the last 50 years since the reservation policy was not put up, and we had in fact created a first roster for the PWDs. In fact, it was not there for the physically disabled also, but it was this government that did that in the past, and based on the roster system, now there is a proper chart that is followed in that, and as the court is now directed that this thing has to be looked into. So we are examining it now, and we are doing our entire before we come to the final affidavit.